You can control your entire Galaxy Watch without even touching the screen using gestures. Samsung offers two types of gestures, basic gesture and universal gestures, but you can only use one of them at a time. Let's start with the basic gestures. You get three options, double pinch, shake and knock knock. Using these, you can perform actions like picking up or ending calls, checking notifications, controlling music playback, opening recent apps, launching a stopwatch, and more. They are super convenient for quick one-handed use. To turn them on, go to Settings, Button and Gestures, scroll down and enable all three toggles. You can also customize actions for double pinch and knock knock by tapping on them and selecting the suitable action from the options. But here's the limitation. These gestures are great for triggering actions but not for navigating the interface, and that's where universal gestures come in. You can access them from the same page or go to Accessibility, Interaction and Dexterity, Universal Gestures. Once you turn them on, your basic gestures will be disabled. Just tap the check icon to confirm. Now, head into the Gestures section. Here, you'll find 5 different types of gestures: pinch, double pinch, make fist twice, and back and forth. Each of these can be customized to perform different actions. There's also a gesture tutorial page where you can practice and get used to them. Back on the main page, you can choose an activation gesture, basically the gesture that turns the system on. For example, I've set it to make fist twice, so doing this activates universal gestures. You can also customize things like the focus indicator color and enable auto scan, which automatically moves between elements so you can easily select them. At first, universal gestures can take some getting used to, but once you get the hang of them, you can control your entire watch with one hand without even touching the screen. Now, if your Galaxy Watch gestures ever stop working, there could be a few reasons behind it. I've covered all the possible fixes in a separate video. Check it out from the I button. So yeah, those were all the gestures you get on your Galaxy Watch. The basic ones are great for quick actions. They're simple, reliable, and easy to use. Universal gestures take things a step further. They let you actually navigate the entire interface without touching the screen. They do take a bit of time to get used to, but once they click, they make one-handed use incredibly seamless. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to Wearholic for more such content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.